Yo guys, it's Josh with DepriveD Productions coming at you with the third Pro Tools tutorial. We're going to create a polymeter today. Word of the day, polymeter, I think, is what we're going to call it at least. We're going to create two melodies today. We're going to basically do what we did in the first and the second tutorial really fast, and I'm going to show you what's going on with two melodies that intertwine with different timings. So get ready, go to track, new, like always. We need two of them though. We're going to make two of them, mono, nope, stereo, instrument tracks, right? We have instrument tracks, so we'll pull sounds off the computer, create. We see two of them, boom. We'll name this one number one because that's number one. And we'll just name this one number two because it is not number one. And then we'll go to the Windows, or go to the mix window here, right? Go to the Windows tab, click on mix. And we gotta stop this nonsense, right? We've done it several times. We're gonna keep doing it because repetition is beautiful. And there we go. We got our two tracks, 1 and 2. They're set to create sound. Let's kind of do what we did in the first tutorial with this one, right? Right here. We'll go down to instrument. There's all of our effects, right? Instrument. We'll go to mini grand, just like we did on the first tutorial, and we change this reverb to amethyst because it was pretty. Because that's how we like it, and we're done. We're done. That's fine. Leave it alone. Let it load up. We'll go to the second one here. What did we do? Right here, and right there somewhere, instrument. We're gonna go on down here to the expand to. Guys, look, I know you can't see these windows. It's so lame. It's a bug in just this plugin, actually, if I'm correct. It's what I've been reading on. I apologize. But I promise, if you want to believe me, if you click right here, you can scroll down to bells, and if you click on bells, you can scroll over to pretty chimes, and then you'll have some pretty chimes that you can use, and then I turn the volume up a little bit. And you know what? Just for the sake of it being in the second tutorial, let's go ahead and add reverb. Click on that second box like I did. Go over here to the reverb, air reverb, because Pro Tools comes with it. Change the mix because it's maxed out back to like between 20 and 30%, and then change it up. And guys, we're done. Let's start editing. Window, edit, and boom. So let's quickly create two melodies. I'm going to do it a little different this time, so check it out. Now, we want to set this to 1/8 because we're eighth people, eighth in it. Now, I got, let's see, the C here. Let's do something in C minor. I got a C, I got a G, D sharp, D, B flat, and another G, but a higher one. 6 notes, 6 of them, all 6 in it. We're going to select all 6 of them, that little line there. Go to the lasso, let's stretch them out, or stretch them out over 6 notes. Boom, we're done, son. Go back to edit. Edit. Now, see, this is something I wanted to show you. When we listen here, it actually stops about right here and fades off. So if you do that, you've kept the notes and it still holds on to them here. So you can actually do the copy and paste thing outside here like this, and I can just Control D, and I'm still doing it. Oh God, I'm going. I'm not scared of it. Boom, I got all kind of them. We're gonna go down here now and just right click here. And let's create another melody right here. Now, I want it to be different timing. That's the reason we're creating a polymeter, different timings. This is 1/8 because we're eighth in it. We're gonna go down to a 4th. That's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna scroll up here to another C. I'm gonna go to the 5th one. I got my finger here because I'm gonna use it. And then we're gonna click on the 5. And then we'll click on a G, and then a D sharp, and then a G. And then there's a D sharp D, and then another G. And that's it. That's it. We're done. You know what I'm talking about? So boom. So check it out. I'll get rid of all the nonsense like we did. So I've got this melody and this melody. Look at those two measures. So let's just check it out. So if I mute this one, we got that kind of sound, right? And then if you see, this is basically the mute button. If I didn't show you that, this is the mute button. And if we mute this one, now only this one's playing. I'm going to copy and paste it just one time. Listen to what it sounds like. There we go. You got two different sounds. They're different. This one's kind of where it's the 4th instead of the 8th. It's half as fast, like in speed, when it's actually plucking the notes. Pretty neat, right? So we're going to play both of them, right? At the exact same time. I'm going to move these. You know, I got them both here. I'm going to move it to where the piano plays its little measure 4 times, 4 of them, of all kind of times. Boom, there it is, lined up. See? And let's see. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and actually select both of these and copy, do the Control D thing just a couple more times so we have several times to listen to it. I'm going to back up here. Boom. I'm going to press the play button. We're going to listen to the piano, and then the chimes are going to come in, and it's going to sound all pretty. Good luck, guys. Let's see what it sounds like. Guys, I don't know about y'all, but I am digging that ambient, off-time, loopy, complex sound that's just where you can tell, you can see the measures, they're overlapping at different times. If you scroll through here, you can see, but slowly but surely they add up, and that's what's so neat. It's mathematical. So we're kind of doing some math over here is what we're doing, and we'll break that down later. Just wanted to show you an example of a simple polyrhythm. Thank you guys for being a part of the channel. Deprived Productions, please subscribe. Guys, we have music out from Deprived themselves, an EP that's out in stores. Please go check it out. Deprived, it's the final alpha EP. We would love for you to listen to it, stream it, do whatever you want. Pirate it, I don't care, just listen to it. But guys, thanks again for watching. I'll talk to you soon in more depth about a lot of things. Just wanted to show you a simple polymeter skill, and we'll talk about polyrhythms later. They're very similar, but they're a little different. Guys, thanks for watching. You guys are awesome, and until next time, peace.